Okay, what's up, guys? It's been raining for a good part of the day. Well, almost all day. And we're flooded. My creek's flooded. Pretty far down that way. It's currently 6:44 p.m. as of recording of this video. Holy shit, there is a flash. It was raining when I woke up this morning, and Bella is calling for me, my friend. And okay, y'all remember the bridge that I used to get across the creek, right? This is it right now. And it has a pretty strong current. Gotta be careful not to fall. Oh shit, I almost fell. Woo! The creek normally, you all saw how the creek normally runs. I think this is like flooded this is times 2 the normal capacity of the creek, maybe times 3. This technically might be considered a small river, I think, because I do believe, okay, on this side it's not flooded, but I can basically walk the normal creek bed, I think, if I can find the indent. Ah, yes, there's the indent. Oh! Never mind, there's the indent. Oh, shit. Alright, right about here is where one of the side areas are. It basically snakes around like this. Gonna try to get to less, basically shallower waters. That's part of the dry land over there. You can see this is all supposed to be land. And here's the other edge of part of the creek. Here is normally stationary. At the moment, it's moving a little bit. Oh. And just the other day, this was almost dried up. Hold on. So, we've had quite a bit of rain. I'm going to make a short of this also, so. But you can see, it's flooded most of the way. At least my grass pile's not washed away. Where I'm currently walking was supposed to be land. And you can see all my ruts from the lawnmower. Kind of running. And right about over here is where the other part of this river is. Oh, got dropped on. Right here. Right in here is about where the normal level is supposed to be. I'm gonna try to walk across this without sinking knee deep again. Cause see, this water is about ankle deep where it's supposed to be land. And here, there's another divot. Whew! Wonder how well the camera's picking that up. Y'all can just see how freaking flooded this is. So yeah, like and subscribe.